Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Simpson, who that teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called Simplicity. It's 3 parts, and it's really easy. Okay, so instructor, I would teach my beginners, intermediate, my intermediate. I wouldn't teach my beginners because there's 3 parts. Okay, so. So there are 3 parts and there's 2 changes and a tag, which is real simple. So I'm gonna give you a step-by-step instruction, but before I do, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Also, if you're interested in a demo, let's dance together to make sure we got the steps together. I'll post it at the end. Also, share this video, and I want to give a shout out to everyone that's leaving a comment. I see you. Thank you so very kindly. So all y'all guys ready? Let's go. So guess what? Part 1 is only 8 counts. Yes, it's only 8 counts, and we're going to do it at all 4 walls, the same thing. So here we go. So I'm going to start at this wall. Am I going to start at this wall? I have my walls figured out now. So you go out to the side. 1, turn back, 2, 3/4 turn, and a salsa step. 3 and 4 back, 5 out, 6 and 7 and 8. That's it. We're gonna do that at all 4 walls. So let me break it down to you. Okay, so I tap out to the side, push back, a moderate 3/4 turn back with my right shoulder coming back. Okay, 1, 2. I do a salsa step on the left. 3 and 4 back, 5 out, 6 and 7 and 8. That's it. That's what I'm doing. Okay? So let's do it again. So I'm moderate. 1, 2. 3/4 turn. Left, left. So that was right, right. Now we do a salsa on the left. 3 and 4 back, 5 out, 6 and 7 and 8. That's it. You do the same thing at all 4 walls. We're done with part 1. Okay? Oh, you want to do it at all 4 walls? Let's do that. So let's go back here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, up, 3 and 4 back, 5 out, 6 and 7 and 8. Side 1. 2 up, 3 and 4 back, 5 out, 6 and 7 and 8. Side 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 out, 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. That's it. All right, when you go here, it's a tag. So you roll with your heel up. Roll, 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 roll. That's the tag. That's hard, huh? You just roll it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, part 2, all 4 walls. It's 8 count 2. So, part 1, we did a 3/4 turn back. This time we're doing a 1/4 turn to the right, all 4 walls. So, your tag is 1, 2, 3, 4. You go right, left, out, turn back, out and back, out and back. That's it. I ain't joking. Watch this. Heel. So we roll, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, turn 3 and 4, out 5, back 6 and 7 and 8. Heel 1 and 2, turn 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Heel 1, 2, turn 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Heel 1, 2, turn 3 and 4, out 5, back 6 and 7 and 8. Part 2. So, for clarity, what did I do? After my roll, 4 rolls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, turn on that 3rd one. Out, back, out and back, out and back. That's it. Then start with your heel again. So what it looks like, 1 and 2, turn 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So turn on 3. Same thing at all 4 walls. Let's put it together. That's it. Part 1 and part 2. Let's put it together. So remember, a review, we do a moderate with a 3/4 turn back. Out, push back. 3/4 turn, salsa. Up and back, tap out, right, left, twist. We do that again. Remember, you're stepping out to the side. All right? 5, 6, all 4 walls. Part 1 and 2, all 4 walls. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, up, 3 and 4, back, 5, tap, 6, 7, twist, 8. Side 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, twist, 8. Side 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, heel. 1 and 2, turn 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and heel. 1 and 2, turn 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Heel. 1 and 2, turn 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Heel. 1 and 2, turn 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Right here. Now, part 3. Let's go to part 3. So we slide. Slide, left, right, left. Okay? So I slide to the right. Okay? Slide to the right, and then I'm going to do a fake, and then I'm going to turn. All right? So I'm 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So my right shoulder comes forward, making a 3/4 turn. Again, slide to the right. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Turn on 4, step on 5. 5. Coast the step, tick, right, left, turn. What did I do? So I did that turn here on my right, and I step on my right. Right, coaster, step, tick, right, left, turn. To get back to the front. All right? Again, I went, slide to the right. 1, coaster, left, right, 3/4. With my right shoulder going forward, making a 3/4 turn. Step on 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and turn. To your left, back to the front. All right, so let's put that together. I'm going to slow it down. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, fake, 3, turn, 4. Step 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Yes. Again. So what did I do? Slide, coaster, left, right, swerve. Step, coaster, step, tick, right, left, turn. To my left. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, fake, 3, turn, 4. Step 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Turn on 1. So my left leg is in the front. Coaster, out, and slide. So, turn on 1. Come back on the left. Coaster, out, and slide up on my left. See how my right heel comes up? I'm going to go up, easy, coaster, in, out. So, coaster, out, in. All right? And I'm going to straighten that out in a minute. So, what did I do? I rock up, easy half, right, left, out, in. Now, here's how I'm going to make sure I got that step. Let me see if I can turn it so you can see. let's do it to this wall. We're coming back to our wall here. So what I'm gonna do, let me walk through this again. Just turning this wall here to this wall here, facing this direction, so you can see my footwork. So I slide to the right, 1, coaster, left, right, swirl, 3/4 turn. My right heel is up, come back down on that right. Coaster, step, tick, left, right, pivot. Okay, 5, 6, 7, slide. 1, back, 2 and 3, turn 4, step, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 8 and. Okay, now, so what do? We slide to the right. Right, coaster, left, right, swirl. 3/4 turn, come back on 5. 5, coaster, step, tick, right, left, pivot. Coaster, out, in, up. Easy, up, up. Easy, coaster, out, in. Okay, 5, 6, 7, slide. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, step, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. 2 out, 3 up, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and. From here, my right heel is up, and you do it again. So part 1, you do at all 4 walls. Part 2, you do at all 4 walls. Part 3, you do at the front and back wall. Okay? So all you're going to do is repeat this step again. So let's go over the step to make sure. So I would say this is the part, this part here, part 3, you need to make sure you have all the steps. Part 1 and 2 is real easy, okay? So what we're going to do, we slide 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So we slide 1. I'm sorry, we fake. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay? So we slide to the right, slide, coaster, left, right, swirl. My left weight is on my left. My right heel is out, up. I come back on 5, coaster, step, tick, right, left, pivot. That's real quick. Heel is up, step, coaster, step, tick, right, left, pivot. Then I come back on the left. Coaster, out, in, up on the left, and slide up on my left. I rock up, easy half, back, and out, in. And then my right heel is up. I'm ready to do that again, which is slide. 1, 2, fake, 3, and I'm going to be watching, looking at the mirror, so I'm not going to do that way. So let's put it to go back here. Slide. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Step 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. 2 out, 3 up, 4 up, 5 back, 6, 7, and 8, and 7, and 8, and coaster, out, in. Then you do it again. All right, so let's go back to our wall. Okay, let's try to do it here at this wall. Slide to the right. 5, 6. Remember, my right shoulder is coming forward, making a 3/4 turn. So whatever wall is to your right, that's where you're going. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Step 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. 2 out, 3 up, 4 up, 5, 6, 7 out, 8, and 1. 2 and 3 and 4. Step 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Turn 1, 2, and 3 up, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Okay? That's it. Now, let me give you your rotation. Simplicity starts with part 1, 2, and 3. So you're going to do all parts. Oh, before I do that, let's put all 3 parts together. Okay? For part 1 for review, it's your 3/4 turn back. 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Remember, do that at all 4 walls. Part 2 is heel. 1, 2, turn 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. All 4 walls. And then just what I taught you, okay? Now, I'll give you the rotation. There is a change in the rotation, but it goes with the music, okay? Once you listen to the music, you're going to understand it. All right, so let's put it together. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Turn 2, 3, and 4. 5, out 6, and 7, twist 8. Is 1. 3/4, 2, 3, and 4. Back 5, out 6, and 7, twist 8. 3/4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel. 1, 2. Turn 3 and 4. Stay here. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Heel. 1, 2. Turn 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Heel. 1, 2. Turn 3 and 4. And 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Heel. 1, 2. Turn 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Slide 1, 2. Fake 3 and 4. Step 5. Goes to 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. 2. Out 3, out 4, out 5. Turn 6, 7 and 8. Slide 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Step 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. 2. Out 3, out 4, out 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. Okay, now, that's 1, 2, and 3 I just did. Then it goes into, back to part 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Roll. 1, 2, 3. Slide. 1, 2. Fade 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7 and 8 and 1. 2. Out 3, out 4, out 5. Back 6, 7, out 8 and slide. 2 and 3 and 4. Step 5. 6 and 7 and 8, turn 1, 2, out 3, out 4, out 5, back 6, 7 and 8, and heel, heel, turn. I'm going to the third rotation. Heel, 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 and turn. Out and back, and out with the heel. Heel, quarter turn, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1. 2, turn 3 and 4, 5 and 6, part 3. 1, 2, fade 3 and 4. You're going to do that till the rest of the song. So you're going to be wind up being 3 times that you do it. The front, the back, and the front. Okay? That's simplicity. Let me give you the rotations again. It's 3 rotations and 2 changes, and you do the tag twice. Boom, boom, 3, 4, and here. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, and 2, 3. And I'm going to tell you, when you listen to the music, just listen to the music. It makes sense, okay? Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. All right? My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.